Hi, it's Tom from Roywood Transits. This is just a quick video walk around of our latest van in stock, which is a Ford Transit 350 Limited Series L3H2. So that's the long wheelbase and a medium roof. This is a 170 PS front wheel drive automatic van, and it's fitted with Ice Pack 25, so quite a rare spec on this one. It's covered just over 10,500 miles, and it sits on a 21 plate. It's registered the 1st of March 2021, and it comes with the balance of Ford Assist, so 1 year from that date, and also full Ford manufacturer's warranty for 3 years from that date, or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first. Parking sensors front and rear. Alloy wheels. You've got heated door mirrors, heated windscreen. This van has been fitted with a high security stainless steel driver's side door lock. Bi-xenon headlights, corner and fog lights. In excellent condition inside and out. One of the benefits of the front wheel drive is you get an extra 100 centimeters from floor to ceiling. So just over 1.8 meters. Full metal bulkhead with grab handle. Upgraded LED lighting. And then you've got the easy wash floor, so you've got just over 3.5 meters of load length. And 180-degree rear barn doors, which can also be locked in the 90-degree position, like so. Inside the cab is in excellent condition. You've got the dual passenger seat with a fold down table and storage underneath. 10-way adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. Electric windows. Automatic headlights with daytime running. Power folding mirrors. Automatic rain sensing wipers. Voice activation when your phone's connected through Bluetooth. Speed limiter, cruise control. Here's the automatic, so only 2 pedals. Automatic stop start. Eco mode. And the head-up display for your parking sensors. And here you've got your AC, your heated windscreen, your heated door mirrors, your quick cool. And up here is the Ford Sync 3 entertainment system, so a great blend of physical and touchscreen buttons. Simply collect your phone, connect it through USB, and you can then use Apple or Android CarPlay through the van. And now this comes with navigation with Ice Pack 25, as well as these driver aids as well. So you've got pre-collision assist, traffic sign recognition, lane keeping alert, driver alert, and cruise control, both intelligent and adaptive. So in conclusion, and for sale today, here we've got a Ford Transit 350 L3H2 Limited Series, very well spec'd, 170 PS, automatic, Ice Pack 25, low mileage, just over 10,500. If you have any questions or would like to organise a viewing, please give us a call on 0118 970 060. Thank you very much for watching.